Welcome to How to AI Tools Explained, where we help you on your way to becoming an AI guru. In today's video, we'll dive into invideo.io, an amazing online video editing tool that combines the power of AI with user-friendly features. Let's get started. Use the link below in the description. Signing up for invideo.io. First things first, head over to invideo.io to create your account. You can sign up using your Google or Apple account, or manually enter your email ID. Remember, you can use the code DMB25 for a 25% discount. Exploring the interface. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface. On the left, you'll find templates, media libraries, and editing tools. Creating your first video. Click Create New Video and choose a template. Customize the template by adding your text, images, and videos. Explore the vast library of pre-made templates to kickstart your creativity. Text-to-video feature. invideo.io's AI-powered text-to-video feature is a game-changer. Simply input your script, and it will generate a video based on your content. Perfect for creating engaging slideshows or educational videos. Adding stock media. Search the library for over 1 million videos, photos, and music tracks. Drag and drop media into your project to enhance your video. Basic editing. Trim clips, adjust brightness, add transitions, and overlay text. invideo.io makes it easy for beginners to create professional-looking videos. Exporting your video. Preview your masterpiece. Make any final tweaks and hit export. Choose your preferred resolution and format. And there you have it, a stunning video ready to share. That's a wrap. invideo.io is a fantastic tool for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to make eye-catching videos without the hassle. Don't forget to join the InVideo community on Facebook for feedback and networking. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Enjoy this small export of what I created just to show you the capabilities of InVideo.io. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Want to make professional-looking videos without breaking a sweat? Keep watching to find out how. First things first, head over to invideo.io and sign up. It's super easy. Just enter your email, create a password, and boom, you're in. Now, why should you care about invideo.io? Well, it's a game changer for YouTubers. With tons of templates, you can create stunning videos in minutes. No more struggling with complicated software. Need eye-catching intros? InVideo's got you covered. How about cool transitions? Yep, they have that too. And don't even get me started on the music and text options. You're gonna love it. Plus, the drag and drop feature makes editing a breeze. You don't need to be a tech whiz. Just click drag and you're done. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for invideo.io today and start creating videos that wow your audience.